himself when she shower, him still, and if me ever tell you something, you see from Seven Lord go do the threesome ritual with them, him come back and him stink just like a them.
So who Seven Lord do the threesome ritual with?
With Bling, Queenie and him do big ritual. Full moon at Jamaica. You never hear say Bling did fly out and Queenie fly out. And
No, I don't hear together one at a time.
yeah, and then when him fly out, them also go do the ritual run a back street where then go pick up the girl. You know hear about it? Yeah, where as him land Queenie bring him a back street for buy the girl them for her. Me not say nothing bad against Queenie if you're not a friend. If you're not no friend, me will say what me have to say.
We have to say.
A dirty life because she love the woman them, you know. You don't know what go on, Rosalie. A only young girl she sleep with, you know. And even if she sleep with a man them, a young girl a feel in the bed too. So when Dewey did the boat, she would have go a back street for the girl them. And then she would have let Dewey deal with it. She like to watch. She get something from just watching. She like to look. Then the video them not out there where she confess. As she provide the little young girl them for the government people and the police them and them people there at Jamaica. But the deal where she make with them, she have to watch. She have to sit down and watch. Enough things you don't know what go on, Rosalie. I mean, they are foreign and I can't tell you everything. So she a big butch. Big butch.
What big boots?
Queenie, then Seven Lord now, when me and Seven Lord fall out the first time, Seven Lord come to me and say, Queenie say she want me and him and she sleep together and me have to run in blood clot. Say she want to do a threesome with Amari. And I really Seven Lord she want, and me she want to sleep with. I know Seven Lord because she want me powers. She sleep with people to get powers. She sleep with a young girl them to look young, and she want to sleep with Mary to stay relevant. And when she couldn't catch me, she try to sleep with my man to get the powers. Then she come on the internet after she sleep with him and turn over her eye. Like oh him turn over him eye all the time.
So hold on now. Wasn't Seven Lord with Queenie before you?
No, I'm a man. I'm a man. And where you there, Rosalie? Rosalie, Bling, when me and him fall out in a Bahamas, Bling come online and tell everybody say I'm an artist and they need to send money and save him because I leave him stranded in Bahamas. That the time me and him have an argument because him no want me leave Bahamas, so he take with my green card and take with my Florida ID. And me shop me come online. See Bling a beg money fi save Seven Lord. That the time nobody no know him and me bring him on the internet. And me I say, what is this? Then before me know it, me hear Bling tell Queenie she have a artist them need to come together. Then Queenie come online and meet him, and Queenie say she want to broke off him dick and what she want to do to him. And Seven Lord, me need your number. And she hear say I'm a man, you know, and she know say I'm a man, you know. Next thing, Seven Lord, I have phone X with her, pan a regular. Then she send Seven Lord money for Valentine's Day. Then Seven Lord then she fly out to Jamaica to meet my man, you know, Rosie. Rosalie, she got we at Jamaica to get Amari man dick. We at Jamaica and she tell him about threesome and all these things. And as in landing at Jamaica, she bring him go a back street. How are you there, Rosalie? And then what make things get bad is him thinks that she have money and she not have no money, and she have him asleep in a van. Him the down there asleep in a van, and them you don't know the story, you don't know what go on. She run can tell everybody say them sleeping at the van, but them never sleep together. Seven Lord tell me everything. Seven Lord say nothing no go so.
Stop.
Seven Lord say Queenie come like a man. When Seven Lord in the van car, them tell him to come there for do video shoot.
So Seven Lord and Queenie grind?
you there, Rosie? Me no want lose my pay through, me just get it. That's why me kind of soft up. Look, me no know what he say from when no he say. Me have a video when me come out with the other night and it black, pitch black. It dey on my Facebook, on Venice Function Facebook. I just so me tell the people them what go down with she and several lad. A big sitting go down, you know. She tell people, oh, she going at the van for keep him company. She left out her Yvette house and going at the van for keep him company. She going at the van cause she want sleep with him. Going at the van go S off him ick. In at the van. The man say she mash him up because after she S off him ick, in a top bun him. Me no know what she do. It you know like the tip of it, no stop burn him. A whole heap of things. And him never feel well and go sleeping at the back of the van. And the man saying wake up, Queenie light up some whole heap of incense in the van and work ritual upon him. So
She like what about incense?
yes,
All right, you know, so I never like the smell of that. I don't like it.
in the van, you know. In the van.
Pass on back of water for motor the fridge, babes.
And a mambo jumbo in the van and I say all kind of fuckery. She come from
So the man was your man first.
and my man, he was never her man. Never. More than she.
What they say you take do it?
No, oh gosh, Rosalie. You know better than that. Rosalie, as God is my witness, me call Dewey my son because when Queenie was going through a lot, I got in touch with him and he get in touch with me and him say, want me Empress? And me say, call me. And him call me and me tell him, say, listen, no use you out there run up and down with Momo. Yeah, your wife is a power couple and you need to go home. Me tell him, say, he remember saying this to him, me say she might have a...
So I'm gonna cut it. So several lad, Blinga take several lad too?
Blinga take several lad in our... Cause remember I say I three of them in a bed, you know. Seven lads say she take it in her bee hole and Queenie suck it off. I choose something I tell you, you know. And he tell me say I'm Queenie. Queenie dep and baptize me, seven Lord baptize me. And him fling it all over her face. That's how she is. The whole of them nasty and nastiness them are on her body. Them are on her body. Cause she wants to do the beauty ritual, you know, so she have him splash it all over her fucking face. That's what the one Queenie do. A dog shit them. Rosalie,
Yeah, there's something little boy.
yeah, man, enough things them are going with, man. Them low and nasty, like. Me could have did do it, but honestly though, Rosie, me never sleep with do it. I wasn't. Do is just somebody who has to respect me. Cause 2 times me send him home, you know, me send him home when she's sick. Me beg him to be by her bedside, and me send him home when she never seen him for 6 months. And then go home and listen to me. And when me respect about him, once him reach...
Let me ask you a question now.
Yeah.
You never hear say married before you ever get married?
Yeah, me married and have 6 kids when I was 19.
So how old are you when you had your first set of kids?
14.
Okay.
Yeah, to the same man that me have the 6 kids for. Me and him different, me and him at 12. But we break up from me at 20 odd years old. I'm currently married still, you know.
You're married now?
Yeah.
To who?
I'm married to an undercover detective at Jamaica.
Oh.
But we not chat. We not chat for years. We not chat from the day me married. Me and him break up 6 weeks after, and we don't chat 5 times in life since then. But
So why you married him?
I married him because at the time I did love him, but after I married to him, I find out say him live with a woman in a Jamaica. So, him never want to be found out, and he was found out. And same I got KILL himself. I said, go ahead. I'm not chat to him. When me and him did them was in the restaurant field. And him ambitious and thing till him turn police detective and everything. Him one of the biggest people in the force in Jamaica right now. But me ask him about my divorce. Him saying divorce me all. No, me can't come across divorce papers, so I guess me have to go do it myself.
Yes. Come here.
Yeah, man, but my husband is out there, young man too. But I talked to him the other day, he said, me need to get rid of my tattoo. He said, until me get rid of the tattoo, them may not chat to me. So I said, no, sir, I don't need nobody to rule over me like that. Where is, what is his name? His name is Omar.
Who is Amari?
Omar is my husband in Jamaica, Omar Loin. Yeah.
Him plug it in there, so. So you breathe for China, man.
Huh?
You breathe for China, man.
Yeah, my first husband is Chinese, half Chinese. But my husband that me currently married to is Omar Lorne in Jamaica. He's a police.
So you start by baby clothes already?
No, sir. Me not buy baby clothes yet. Me not think me have to go buy none because the amount of funds where I look forward to see Shamrock, Me I go do sonogram and all of that. Me do sonogram in a Rosie. Me do the sonogram, so far them pick up, me show it on my page. So far them pick up two things inside of me. So me don't know if I twin. So if me do it again this week, them should see more.
So you're expecting twins?
No, we're not sure, but they did pick up 2 things, just like before. The twin running in my family, and me have 2 sets already. And like I said, one died from the first set, but then pick up 2 things right now.
So how you gonna manage two baby at your age?
Me not feel all that than nobody. Remember say me live better than most people, Remember say me get my shots them weekly and IV weekly, and them life them me live, and me any all kind of things me get, where young people no get in a life.
Also, and how you go financial wise?
Me not understand.
Like how you live financial wise?
So me not have to work, cause remember, me make a lot of money off of Facebook in the past. And my lawsuit, everybody don't know about it. I had 2 lawsuits. One last year, one this year. Me good?
Yep. What was the lawsuit last year? I don't know.
Remember when me did drop in New York? Drop down in this basement in New York. When me did there, do me live, and the floor just give way under me, and me fall down. It's like me I go down towards the basement, half of my body in the basement, half above. So that the lawsuit settled last year, and then about 2 months ago the next one settled, or 2.5 months. But
I have a music career.
yeah, and me still, no matter what, my videos still I make a lot of money. But I not like me get up and say me I do video for make money. Them just out there, and me get up and still put them out there. So me still make money. Like yesterday, money come in, and me just look on it and it did it, Yeah.
Like a spirit, Amari, I don't know why.
I like you too. Because you have my middle name. Me a Rose Marina. And you're Rosalie.
Okay.
Yeah, man, I just cause some people for you in. Must be 2 days ago. Pan TikTok. You never hear about it? Yeah, man, I know the comment box too. I cuss them off. Because, you know, you remind me of my auntie, Aunt Ella. She had a body like yours, and girl, your body worth so much in Africa. Africa, they don't want to see nothing more, girl. You understand? And even going to Bahamas. If me did travel all to Bahamas before me lose weight, me wanna lose no weight. Everybody out here want full body woman. You see, Africa, you're royalty. Royalty. So me cuss them off, yo, and you know, tell them that you're beautiful in every way. You have to know that, you know. I'm sure you know that because he's very confident, you know, because you can't please this world. Me did very fat, you know, and them used to put me head, they used to put me head pan gorilla body on the internet and mock me and jeer me. And see me lose the weight and get slim, and them still mock me. You can, yeah, you can't please people. You just have to do what makes you feel happy and fuck them all. You know, that's the way it goes. But you know, it's a person within. But and you know if you dress up your body and thing. Once you dress up your body, you're nice, man. Even the rappers, them undercover, the slim girl, them where them walk with on the carpet, the red carpet. I know them they with in a real life. In a real life, them want body like yours. May I tell you, no, a real thing, for real. So that's what the thing said. Although 7 lads ain't go on Queenie breast, and he said then tough no bomber clot. He said then come like rock stone.
So we're 7 lad at the moment.
In their prison, you know, darling.
You know, I get a baby father.
Hell no. Hell no, not this time. If Queenie never interfere, I would. But she went too far.
And did what?
She while we in Bahamas vacationing, pussy hole I call my man on a ball. A ball, oh yeah, ball over my man, a ball for 7 lord. Then guess what the pussy hole do? Me and him have a fight. Before me know it, police and my man phone, so Queenie wanna talk to him. No, go bail him, bitch. And make sure you pay for my phone and everything, cause you have to do that, bitch. You have to pay. Me there I sit down and wait for my $1,600, cause I'm not come out of jail until him pay $1,600 for my iPhone and pay for the man car. So you want man, go and take care of him and buy him ticket. Cause me not tell no lie now. Rosie, me tell you the truth. My man sit down and reason with me. Him say, Amari, when me and you good, me not make no money. So me have to put on some scenes so that me make some money around here. Before everything go down, and tell me like couple minutes before. Anything him doing, tell me couple minutes before him do it. You know, so him said him not give money around here unless me and him fight. And then him put on the fight. But where he went wrong was one girl send hotel fee, and who sleeping at the hotel? Mari. And the girl send the hotel, and then the next morning the girl say me a walk in the camera. And him say I have to go put on a next scene to make people believe say me and him really not there. You know, me don't like those things. Me tell him why I have to do that, why we can't just do what we doing. Him say it take too long for money come in, cause you know Facebook and all of them pay within a month. Him say that take too long, you know. But it's like him put on the next scene for make money, and the pussy one might still make a lot of money.
More than you?
Eh?
More than you?
No, me not make money online for make money. Cause if you notice, me not buckle and all of that, and me not know if you understand. Me not come online for make money. But theme thing is, him come online and romance scam women, make them feel special, make them mind him.
He's a thank you.
and all them things there. And him make them things say him hate me. So that's cause you remember when Ivan sent him the other day, a $3,000 I make, you know. All him do, him say that Amari left him Bahamas. So everybody sent him plane ticket. Him say 10 people send him plane ticket. $300 each. So the man make 3,000. So even right now, as him in jail, me not gonna really stop him flow. Cause the most me do is tell the people them and who no one believe me, don't believe me. So right now, like how him in jail, him a gonna make enough. Cause I'm gonna tell them, say, boy, it's $3,000 for him walk away. Cause I'm have to pay for everything when him damage first. And imagine if each person gave him that. The last time when him get the money, I'm him go to Jamaica and buy some black and thing and go and bill it. Me tell her, say, my man a scammer, just the truth. But me know who love the people, them tell them the truth. I said, listen, Rosie, if you ever know much girl Uzi me have in her phone right now. Whole heap of Uzi. Me never know say Uzi come in all colors. Pink, purple. Some of them all look blue.
So at your age, you ever try go with a Uzi?
No, not at my age. In my younger age, I was molested by a woman. And because of that, let me tell you, because I was molested by a woman, if a woman preach, me don't listen, me turn it off. And I never had nothing to do with women, and I had to fix that. That's why I came on the internet and build a relationship with women. But I still don't keep them close because I was molested at age 8 by a woman that was like 45 years older than me. And it damaged my clitoris and totally destroyed me. Up till this day, a man can't play with down there, so because it's very sensitive. She mash it up from 8 years old. So I don't go that way because of mostly because of what was done to me. Women are very beautiful. And I'm not going to lie to you, they can be very tempting because women is the most beautiful species that God have ever made. But because of what I've been through, I would never go that way because of what I've been through. Yeah. Because not me saying, come girl, bend over, because basically me I said to all the men them treat you and things, sometimes you might as well just go with a woman where we take care of you, wash your drawers and everything and pay your bills and everything. I mean, same one said that, but I would not go there because of what I have been through.
Understandable.
Mm-hmm. You know, you're smart. Me I look by you, me I said, that lady you are doing, you know. You're smart. God called you in a very... God, you know, so God moving a little treacherous way. Him call you, but the way him bring you out, nobody would guess that you're a woman of God. Me see it in a little while, me see it clear, you know. As a matter of fact, ask your fans to follow me. I'll be doing readings later. You know, so me need to read you up.
Because you have to listen. You have to go 30 minutes. For 3 days. So today, so when I come off of this now, you're gonna go 30 minutes for 30 minutes, do exactly 30 minutes. And then tomorrow you do 30 minutes, and tomorrow you do 30 minutes, 12 o'clock, and then do 30 minutes. 3 days, 30 minutes.
Brother, you need a reading, you know. Me should I read you, you know.
Read me now.
My card no come here, card. Me give several lord that set a card there, but me never read without card before. But me I go read you without card. The highest reading me I go give you. Yeah. Me not go remember say you're Rosalina or nothing. And me I go read you. The only thing me I ask you, if me speak the truth, you must admit it. No lies. Me can't read a liar.
Okay.
Alright, me I go transform. Don't afraid, yeah? Who you want? You want 7 lordies or you want mum? Mum is the higher power.
More than mum.
You want mum?